Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video at the world of AI. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at AltLayer's new native token that will be launching on January 25th. For the people who do not know, AltLayer is an open and decentralized protocol for rollups. The novel idea of restake rollups, which takes existing rollups and provides them with enhanced security, decentralization, and crypto economic fast finality. Now, this is something that they just released today, which stated that they will be releasing their native token on January 25th. And they also dropped the criteria as to who would be eligible for their airdrop. Now, guess what? Celestia is back again with another airdrop, as TIA stakers will be eligible to claim the AltLayer airdrop on January 25th, but they still have to specify how much TIA you have to have staked to be eligible for this criteria. And this is something that we'll take a look at as you go further into the video. So stay tuned and let's get straight into it. Now, you might be wondering, when did they take the snapshot? Well, don't worry, they have taken the snapshot as of January 17 of 2024, and this is the time over here, and it's on the Ethereum block number of this. So don't be scared. If you staked anything before this, you will be eligible for this. I already made so many videos on this channel stating that you need to make sure that you stake TIA, and I hope you got in and staked this, because this is going to be definitely something that will be worth a lot. This is a token that will be launching at 5 a.m. on January 25th, or in other terms, it is launching at 10 UTC. Now, it's going to be using the Binance Launchpad to launch this, so it will already have a centralized exchange to basically sell and buy this coin. Now, most exchanges will slowly but surely add this on, because this is quite a big project with a lot of funding. Now, in terms of the eligibility criteria, if you had these two NFTs, the OOT as well as the AltLayer OG Badge NFT holder, you will be able to claim this airdrop. And if you had participated in the altitude campaign or restake EigenLayer or Celestia, you will be able to have the eligibility criteria to claim this. Now, they also stated that you need to make sure that you are not in these regions. These are the regions that are restricting this airdrop. Now, I'm not going to say too much because I don't want to get in trouble, but you know what I mean. But yeah, that's basically it for AltLayer. Definitely stay tuned. They're going to be dropping the different criterias as to how much you should have staked to be able to claim this. So definitely stay tuned with the Twitter page on my channel, as I'll be releasing all the different types of news relating to this AltLayer airdrop. So with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and we shall see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.